This is how to clean the inside of your windshield. This will remove grease and oily film, increase visibility, and leave your windshield streak-free. Also, if you want to clean the outside of your windshield, I have a separate video for that. That video will be listed and linked down below. For this job, you will need microfiber towels and a Mr. Clean magic eraser. Step 1 is to do a quick pass with your dry microfiber towel to remove any loose dust particles. Sometimes it can be easiest when you're cleaning the inside of your windshield to sit in the passenger side, but just do whatever works for you. You can also sit in the driver's side of the vehicle and kind of hold yourself up by grabbing and holding on to the steering wheel. Step 2 is to use that magic eraser to clean your windshield, and this will remove all grease and oily film. The grease and the oily film is what gives you that glare at nighttime whenever you have some bright headlights coming towards you. To do this step, simply take your magic eraser, dip it in a cup of water, and then wring it out, squeeze out that water to activate it. A little tip is to also spread a large towel on top of your dashboard. This will catch any drippings while you're doing this. If you don't spread that towel on the dash, then just make sure you clean up those drops as fast as they fall so that you don't leave stains on your dashboard. Now what you're doing here is you're just scrubbing the windshield in small circular motions. You don't have to press too hard, just let that eraser work for you. I find it easier to use the back of my hand. As you can see, I'm just using the back of my hand. It's much easier than trying to use the other side. Just make sure that you're organized when you're doing this, working your way from top to bottom, left to right, right to left, whatever. Just make sure that you are cleaning the entire surface area and you're not missing any spots. I recommend breaking the windshield up into halves. You can do the passenger side first and then do the driver's side, or vice versa. After you finish with the magic eraser though, immediately dry that windshield with a dry microfiber cloth because you don't want that magic eraser residue to dry on the glass, because then you'll just have to redo it. Lastly, we have step 3, and this step is optional, but this step will take your windshield from clean to super clean, and that is to clean it with a good glass cleaner. Take your cloth and spray the cloth with the glass cleaner. Don't spray the glass itself, spray the cloth. And then work your way once again in small circular motions from top to bottom. After that, flip the cloth in half to the dry side and dry the windshield going up and down to dry any leftover remnants. And after you are finished, you will be blown away how smooth, streak-free, and clean the glass is. And that, my friends, is how to clean the inside of your windshield. I encourage you to pair this cleaning with my other video on how to clean the exterior of your windshield, and all of your days of visual vexation will be over.